Hello, Class 10 students. Welcome to the fifth part of our chapter on acids, bases, and salts. Today, we're diving deep into salts and their uses. When acids and bases react, they form salts. But salts are not just table salt. They are everywhere in our daily life. Let's start with the most common salt we know, common salt or sodium chloride, with the chemical formula sodium chloride. It's an essential part of our diet, used to enhance the taste of almost every food item. Without it, food would taste bland. Beyond our kitchens, common salt is a crucial raw material for producing many important chemicals like caustic soda, bleaching powder, and even baking soda. Next up is baking soda, chemically known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, You've probably seen your parents use it in the kitchen. It's what makes cakes and bread fluffy and soft. It's also used as an antacid to relieve indigestion because of its alkaline nature. And impressively, it's a key ingredient in soda acid fire extinguishers. Moving on to washing soda, which is sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium carbonate 10 hydrogen oxide. Notice the quote 10 hydrogen oxide, which indicates water of crystallization. Washing soda is primarily used as a powerful cleaning agent in homes and industries. It also helps in softening hard water, making it suitable for washing. Did you know it's also widely used in the glass and soap industries? Its versatility makes it a valuable chemical. Now let's talk about bleaching powder, or calcium oxychloride, with the formula CaOCl₂. This salt is a powerful disinfectant, often used to purify drinking water by killing germs. It's also used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry. Furthermore, it acts as an effective oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, helping to carry out various reactions. Our final important salt for today is plaster of Paris, or calcium sulfate hemihydrate, calcium sulfate 1/2 hydrogen oxide. The hemi means half, so half a molecule of water. It's famous for its use in hospitals for setting fractured bones by making casts. When mixed with water, it forms a hard mass, immobilizing the injured part. Beyond medical uses, plaster of Paris is also extensively used for making toys, decorative materials, and smooth surfaces on walls and ceilings. Before we conclude, let's quickly see what water of crystallization means with a simple animation. Here we see blue copper sulfate crystals. When heated, they lose their water of crystallization and turn into a white anhydrous powder. And when water is added back, the white powder regains its water of crystallization and turns blue again, showing the presence of water molecules in the crystal structure. So as we've seen, salts like common salt, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and plaster of Paris are formed from acids and bases, and they have huge importance in our daily life in various industries. Keep learning and exploring.